How to check for updates on Samsung. If you're trying to find how you can check for your system update, this is how you do it. First, you have to open your app. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so once you are in your settings, just scroll down until you see this option, software update. So you can just tap on it and it will open up the software update setting. And here you can see different information like when your last update was, but to check your updates if there are any available, you just tap on download and install. And now the phone will check for updates automatically and show you if there are any available updates. As you can see, my software is up to date and there are no updates available right now. But if you have any, it will show up right here and you can tap on install update and it will start updating your software and new software update will be installed on your device. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.